This is how to replace a laptop hard drive. First you look for your hard drive bay, undo the screws, lift off the faceplate. This is your hard drive caddy. You may have more than one screw to undo. You just slide it out. Okay, pop it out, there's your hard drive. There's some more screws holding that in. Okay, once that's done, you can pull your hard drive out. Okay, you get another hard drive. I'm just going to use the same one, but basically just put it back in, throw the screws back on, throw it back in your bay, and it slides in. Screw down the hard drive caddy, throw your faceplate back on, and screw it down. And that is how you replace a laptop hard drive.